to my channel. I decided to make a YouTube channel finally after everyone requesting it for so long. I just decided to give it a go. I didn't have my coffee yet. We're gonna make some coffee. This is my coffee machine and this is a rabbit. Then today we're making some meatball and mash. Don't mind my hair, I just washed it and it's like really fucking ugly. Actually, I am going to cool. Pick up my Disney mug because she's so cute. Look at her. I'm just getting a lot of double chin shots right now and I'm not really down for that. We're gonna make some iced coffee today. Also, I'm taking off my hood because it's just fucking annoying, and I realized that if I don't want to have a double chin, I need to stop eating so much and start working out instead of just trying to hide behind a hoodie. My chopping board, I took out a bowl and we're going to take out these potatoes. I have to peel them, right? I don't even, oh, okay, cool. This is hard. Peeling potatoes is hard. Okay, I gave up. That was taking too long, so I'm using this carrot peeler thing instead because I'm a lazy piece of... You know what? Lazy people are smart because they can find very... Oh, fuck, I hate long nails. Find easier ways to do normal things. Like, why should you do everything the hard way when you can just do it an easier way and do the exact same thing? Okay, this is not that easy, though. I think it's kind of harder than a knife. Yeah, no, we're gonna use a knife. I'm gonna sit down. Wow, look at this. I am such a genius. I'm so sick of peeling taters, I just want to cut them. Okay, look, I finished my coffee and look what I fucking found at the bottom of it. It's literally a potato peel. And I drank it. I drank potato juice. Okay, anyway, finally freaking done peeling. I'm so stoked, bro. I'm finally done peeling. I'm stoked. I'm gonna cut it. Just like that. I put in the rest of the potatoes and I put some water and now I'm making it boil. Alright y'all, let me update you on what's going on in here. We got our potatoes boiling. We're gonna leave that for like 20 minutes and then we're gonna mash them up. Then we've also got our oven reheating, and then these are our meatballs, and we're gonna put them in this thing and put them in there for 15 minutes. And then we got a little pan where we're gonna make the sauce. That's our sauce with just a bit of water, and they said on the thing like cream. I think we're just gonna go with this and see what happens. So that's it. I washed the dishes also because I'm a bad bitch. Okay, so I kind of fucked up the sauce because there are ugly bits in it. Like there's some like clumps from like the powder. So that's not great. Whatever. Life goes on. Our potatoes are done boiling. I'm gonna throw a tiny bit of the water, not all. Okay, so we're gonna take this thingy. Did you see that? I'm just gonna mash. Oh my god, this is like so exciting. Much water still. Let's start mashing. Wow. Wow, this is fun. Oh my god. This is everything. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, like this is everything. Oh, when do I add in like the milk and the butter? Comment down below. I need a cameraman. If Andrew Sawicki is like free, come down, babe. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, shit. Yeah, now it's looking thick. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, you can tell I'm a fat person getting fucking turned on by mashed potatoes. Like if you were late, I'm not even exaggerating. Like if I wasn't filming this video right now, I'd still be like this. Like I'm not trying to be funny. Butter. And just a tiny. Get in me! Peeling all those potatoes was fucking worth it. This is how excited I get about food, and it shows. We're done. Meatballs are done. The mash is ready. She's looking thick and creamy. The chunky sauce is done. We're just gonna have to deal with it. Here she is in all her glory. I can't believe I made that. I made that. It's a bit hot, but like, oh wait, actually it's fine now. Guys, I really am a chef. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more amazing content like this. I think I am really a qualified chef now. What do you think? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.